So after what seemed like hours of pulling the ramp on and off to get it to fit just right, we finally got it to fit with really good tolerances like that, and there's no gap there, which is great. So the next thing we're going to do is weld it up. There's a lot of tedious things that I didn't feel like filming, like the side marker lights, the reflective tape, the decking, and a whole bunch of other little things that I had to do to get it to pass annual inspection. If you're curious about the deck, I made a video, and I'll put a link somewhere about how to do Sujibon, and I think it turned out really nice. I left the gap for dirt and rocks to fall through, and so moisture doesn't collect and rot out the wood. But what I didn't show you guys in welding and building the frame and everything, and it kind of was a big deal, was cutting the 6-inch C-channel for like a hub, like for the wheels to clearance wise, because whenever I was going over like a bump or something, the axles would the tires would actually touch the C channel. So what I did was I cut the arch, and then I strengthened it with a 4-inch cross member in between the cross member. This is part of this kind of steel, and I think that really strengthened it a lot. So I'm not worried about that at all tweaking, getting weird on me. Let's see here. I put spring-loaded mud flaps back on, and backup lights. So on the old truck, it had these ramps were held on with a spring and a big rod that went through both of them, and then taillights that hung down. And I didn't really want lights below, so I cut this, and I got rid of the spring and cut new taillights. Did all the electrical. That was fun. Not really, but it took a lot of time. One thing I want to change is this cargo strap is very effective, but I want to do like some kind of hook that I can clip on and holds these chains on permanently, or these hold the ramps on permanently. Let's see here. I'm very happy with how this turned out. It works really good, and it's way heavier duty than it was before on the other truck, the flatbed. Let's see here. The next step is going to be putting the custom headache rack that I'm building right now on. I made spots for chain binders and tie down chains and broom and brushes and a shovel. So that'd be cool. So stay tuned for that one. But honestly, I think this is the biggest project I've undertaken, and I'm pleased with how it turned out. So if you guys got any questions, comment below, and please hit that like button. It really helps me out. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video.